Hi, I'm One Kidney Mike. I donated a kidney in February of 2025, and now I'm climbing all 27 peaks in Montana that are greater than 12,000 feet to prove that kidney donation doesn't hold you back. And today I'm here at the Mystic Lake trailhead, about to embark back. The plan is to get to a campsite back there, and then I'm going to be attempting to do as many peaks as I can, potentially 4 or 5, more realistically like 3. So probably Pyramid, Wood, and Heg for sure. And then I'm going to kind of see how I feel and what the weather is going to be like before I either attempt Tempest or East, Granite, and Mystic. So we'll just kind of see how that goes. But for now, let's go ahead and get started. The trailhead's actually pretty busy. I'm expecting to probably encounter a lot of people. It's Labor Day weekend, and the weather is forecasted to be great. Well, I thought this would be a great spot to just kind of take a break, eat some food before heading on. I'm going to go all the way to the end of Mystic Lake, and then I got to cross the river to the other side, and then we're going to go up one of the valleys and camp at about 9,000 feet. So that way we'll have a good start for tomorrow to actually go up to Wood and Pyramid first. Well, I made it to the end of Mystic Lake, and there used to be a log jam right here that everyone would just walk across right here. But as you can see, in a prior flood, I think about 3 years ago, I'm not 100% sure when, it was washed out along with a lot of, carved this out pretty good too. Lowering this lake over here, I forget what it's called, down quite a bit, because you can tell that it used to be up to here. I mean, I would have been underwater. But right now, I'm gonna sit down and actually eat my lunch. It's 2 o'clock, so it's a late lunch, but just gonna kind of enjoy this. This is beautiful. Just look around here, how gorgeous this is. Well, now that I've crossed, I've got to go through some forest like this. Not too bad. There's no trail from here on out. I just have to find my own way. Got to cross a stream and then get onto the other side, and then I'll be doing a lot of vertical climbing. I've got about another, I think, 1,300 feet to go, but like maybe a mile. So it's going to be pretty steep. Well, I was crossing that stream that you can kind of hear in the background, and it's not very big at all. Way smaller than that other one. But I've been walking along it, and I didn't find any good spot where I could like cross on a log or even rocks. And then I came to this one spot where it looked like it was going to be pretty good. There was some dry rocks along there. However, they weren't evidently as dry as I thought, because I got onto one of them and then promptly slid off. And so I'm not hurt or anything. It wasn't that bad. It's just that even though my boots are technically waterproof, like every boot that's waterproof, when water goes over the top, they no longer are waterproof. I'm not in any hurry to get to camp, because today I'm not conquering any mountains. I'm just trying to get to base camp, and I have until basically sundown. So I can just hang out here a little bit, kind of let my stuff dry some before I continue on, and then get to camp and set it up. Well, after quite a bit of searching, I finally found a spot that is close enough to water, but not like too close, for me to have a good camp spot and flat. So Those are sometimes really hard to find. I am going to set up my tent. Unfortunately, I went far enough to where I'm in the shadow of Hague Mountain. That's not even the summit right there. I believe it's the summit right over here. Because when I go to attempt that one, I got to go actually around that up to the plateau and behind. That is one of the unique features about the Beartooth Mountains, is that most of the peaks are actually plateaus that have, you know, just really steep drop-offs on one side. As you saw with Silver Run, was a great example of that. Well, I finished eating and getting the camp all prepped. I put the bear canister away from the tent, and I cleaned up where I was cooking. I've got water for in the morning ready to go, and my tent is all ready. So I am not sure what I am going to do tomorrow, whether I am going to do Hague, which is behind me, or I'm going to do Wood and Pyramid. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This area is absolutely spectacular. Here you can see Granite Peak, Froze to Death Plateau, and then you can't see Wood, but you can almost see it. It's almost there. And like I said, this isn't even Hague, but look how impressive that is. It's just amazing. So as I was eating dinner, I was just like marveling at just how beautiful it is here. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.